Hi guys! Today I'll be sharing 4 delicious and nutritious plant-based smoothie recipes. It's beginning to get a little warmer here in Melbourne, and although I usually have smoothies all year round, I do find myself reaching for them more often as the weather starts getting warmer. Smoothies are nutrient dense and make it easier for us to get more fruit and veg into our diets. They are super easy to make and just perfect for those days when you're on the go. As always, I'll leave the written recipe to these down below in the description box, and I hope you guys find something here that you enjoy. This first recipe is one of my favourites whenever I'm in need of a mid-morning or late afternoon snack. It's packed with 3 different types of berries, which are all high in antioxidants and fibre, and the coconut in this gives it that really delicious creamy flavour. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of raspberries, half a cup of strawberries, half a cup of coconut yogurt, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 medjool dates, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for those omega-3 fatty acids, fibre and protein. I love how vibrant and colourful this smoothie is, and whenever I get a chance, I love turning this one into a smoothie bowl by topping it with some granola and some fresh fruit to make it even more delicious. This second one is one of my go-tos, especially whenever I'm feeling a little under the weather or just need a bit of a pick-me-up. It's packed with loads of nutrients, including vitamin C and vitamin A, and the ginger and turmeric in this have many health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to support our immune health. For this recipe, I am using 1 carrot, 1 orange, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you guys have fresh turmeric on hand, then that's great as well. 1 chunk of ginger. I'm using roughly a 3x3 centimeter piece here. And 2 cups of coconut water. This recipe makes about 2 to 3 servings. I always find it's best when enjoyed fresh, but occasionally I'll make a bottle of this and pop it in the fridge to enjoy over a couple of days. If you are planning on doing this, just make sure you give the bottle a good shake before you serve it up. This one is a classic combination of sweet and savoury, and to me it pretty much tastes like a dessert. The oatmeal and chia seeds in this help to give it that extra boost of fibre and also make it super filling. For this recipe, I am using 1 banana, 1/3 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk. I'm using soy milk here, but any milk you have on hand is fine, 2 medjool dates, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. This one is another great one to enjoy as a smoothie bowl if you have the time. Here I decided to top it with some chia seeds, some fresh banana slices and granola. And finally, this video wouldn't be complete without a classic green smoothie. This is my favorite when it comes to getting extra greens into my diet. I like to load this one up with lots of spinach and zucchini. The zucchini helps to give this smoothie an extra creamy texture, and the best part about it is that you won't be able to taste either the spinach or the zucchini once you've added the fruit. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 cup of diced zucchini, 1 banana, fresh or frozen is fine, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1.5 cups of milk of your choice, I'm using soy milk here, and 2 large handfuls of spinach. And that's it. These are 4 of my go-to smoothie recipes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys give these a try and which one you enjoyed the most. Also, let me know if you have your own variations on these as well, because I'd love to try them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.